Hey, yeah, what's going on? I'm just kidding, but it's me, Tikimara, and today I'm going to be unboxing a FROSTIGGY. So, I got this at Target. I don't think I should. And also, I got this Officer Doggy at Walmart. It's so cool. And yeah, anyway, guys, time to unbox it. Ooh, ooh, oh. Let's go. I got that FROSTIGGY thing in here. And the bat. And the DLC code. And which I may probably do like a video about, like, I would scratch each DLC code. But it only works if you have, it's called like Piggy Hunt. So yeah. Anyway, guys, here is the FROSTIGGY. And see if I could put this inside.
Friggy?
I said FROSTIGGY.
I got that Spider-Man Lego.
Yeah, like the channel got this. I don't know why he got that. I don't know why. Anyway, I can't seem to put this inside. FROSTIGGY. It's kind of hard to do it. Ugh. Okay, guys, I got it on. I got the bat on. And this is how she looks like. Hold up, guys. Man, guys, there's like a lot of stuff over here. Okay, so here's like a comparison from the two. Here's FROSTIGGY and here's the normal Piggy. The FROSTIGGY just has spikes and is white snow and has the frosted bat thing right here. And normal Piggy just looks like normal Piggy. FROSTIGGY. So, yeah. Comment down below which one you like best. The FROSTIGGY or this doggy, Officer Doggy plush I found at Walmart. So comment down below which one you like best, okay, guys? And I hope you have a great day. Bye. I found this at Walmart.